Anyang Forging Press 360-degree service system. Our company build perfect service system in order to improve product quality and customer satisfaction. We follow the tenet service for customers, responsible for customers, satisfy customers. We can supply 7 times 24 service including before sale, in sale and after sale service. Before sale, we have over 20 salesmen cover about 60 countries, everyone have plentiful professional experience on forging technical, can supply project planning, machine technical supply, business consult service etc. In sale, we have over 210 technicians and over 300 sets excellent manufacturing equipment. Can make sure the design, production and delivery timely. After sale, we supply installation and commissioning service, training, spare parts supply etc. We have professional installation and commissioning team including over 50 workers. Our engineers installation and commissioning 16 kJ CNC hammer in India. Our engineers installation and commissioning 2-ton hydraulic open die hammer in Egypt. Our engineers installation and commissioning 5-ton closed die power head in South Korea. Our engineers installation and commissioning 63 kJ CNC forging hammer in Vietnam. Our engineers installation and commissioning 2-ton pneumatic forging hammer in South Africa. Our engineers installation and commissioning 1-ton hydraulic closed die power head in India. Our engineers installation and commissioning 5-ton hydraulic closed die forging hammer in Burma. Our engineers installation and commissioning 3-ton open die forging hammer in India. After installation and commissioning, we will train the customer worker how to operate our hammer.
烧这么一段时间多难嘛，对，这会抽的味儿都，对，这会抽的味儿都。他氧化皮就是这样蹲的，你把它立起来放到这儿，我轻轻的一蹲，氧化皮它下来了，啊，就是这样。下一个呢就是这个慢升慢降，就是我要对模具，啊，换模具了。完了，头下，就是慢慢的下来，我可以对模具的。就是说我对它，我感觉到这个模具这个位置放的不好，没放好，我让它再放一点。
We prepare enough spare parts for every type hammers. Once the hammer need change parts, we can dispatch them timely. Avoid affecting customers' hammer working. Customer praise our good service. 2. Service promise. 1. Ensure high quality and reliable products before leaving factory to eliminate hidden troubles. 2. After receiving the customer information, we will reply within 48 hours or dispatch service staff if customer finds quality problem, will not leave until troubles are removed. 3. Carry out customer supervision and company acceptance policy. 4. Ensure supplying maintenance spare parts and service for leaving factory products. 5. Anyang Forging Press Group Service telephone plus 86 minus 372 minus 3,389,682. Fax plus 86 minus 372 minus 5,922,446 in 24 hours. 3. Service network. 1. Professional after-sale department is responsible for all management of after-sale service to ensure customer buying and using it easy, greatly improving the service standard of Anyang Forging Press Group. 2. Anyang Forging Press Group developed the international market firmly to build international famous brand. The products have been exported to Asia, Europe, South and North America, Africa, more than 60 countries and areas. The particular markets are USA, German, UK, Russia, Korea, India, Vietnam, Brazil, Mexico, etc. The perfect spare parts supply, technical support and after-sale service firm the international market. We have office in 9 countries and dealer in 18 countries. We also dispatch sales and technical service person to stay there. Forge China famous brand, build world CNC hammer base. We strive toward this goal with professional technology persistently.